Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the case and removing the visible silicone tip. This exposes the stem. Once done, wedge a thin plastic pick between the seam at the hinge end and pry gently to lift the front bezel. Slow, steady pressure prevents cracking. Make sure to keep the hinge side braced with one hand to avoid twisting. If a clipped ribbon appears, pause and note its orientation. Take a clear photo before proceeding so reassembly matches the original layout. Once the bezel is lifted, locate two small T5 screws holding the internal bracket over the battery and logic board. Remove and store them in order. Then use a plastic spudger to disconnect the battery connector. This isolates power and makes further work safe. Next, lift the speaker module by prying along its edge while observing cable routes so you don't stress ribbon cables. If a clip resists, stop and reassess rather than forcing. Gradual, even leverage prevents torn. You finish by removing the remaining modules: microphone, proximity sensor, and silicone dampers. Use tweezers for pins and a plastic pick for adhesive. Once free, inspect every connector closely for dirt, bent pins, or leftover adhesive. Cleaning with isopropyl 90% on a swab solves most contact issues. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: if a component won't reconnect, check alignment and clean the pads. Never add force. Instead, reseat and try again before applying new adhesive or closing the case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.